Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Scorpio. This is mid-month reading June. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Scorpio. Scorpio water sign, your recent past. So let's see. 8 of Wands, Page of Cups, 9 of Pentacles. One person in this connection could be abundant. They have a good job, good career, and definitely there is communication between both of you. And your person also offered Page of Cups to you. It is a small offer, but he already offered to you, and there is back and forth communication between both of you, and things are moving very fast in past. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now. You or your person could be any sign, because water sign, fire sign, and earth sign is here. Hangman, King of Swords, lot of cards, but I am not taking. Two of Pentacles. Yes, one person in this relationship is spiritually awakening. The Hangman is here, that's why that person is juggling right now. They're spiritually awakening and they want to know what this connection is meant for there. And King of Swords, definitely one person in this relationship is very straightforward, and they want to communicate things very clearly. Definitely there is communication between both of you, and one person is spiritually awakening, that's why they are juggling. So your person needs future actions towards you, Scorpio. The Fool, 8 of Cups, King of Cups. I want clarification card here for why is 8 of Cups is here. Death, yes. Spiritually awakening and death card is here. I think your person first may not choose you, but later he will choose you, because after the transformation he will confuse before the transformation, that's why walking away. But later transformation he realizes you both and will come towards you, and they want a brand new beginning with you. The Fool is here. And King of Cups, in past he only offered Page of Cups, but after the transformation he want to offer King of Cups. It is stable offer, it is long-term commitment, and they want to take leap of faith, Scorpio. So this is very positive reading, because your person transform from Page to King. So let's see your let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Scorpio. 6 of Cups, lot of water energies here. Queen of Cups, the Sun, wow. 5 of Wands. Yes, in past there are some disputes between both of you, and it will going to be settled 100%, because you both have strong soulmate connection or past life connection. And King of Cups, you both have emotions for each other, and the final outcome is Sun. Definitely there is a positive ending. Your person want to offer long-term commitment to you, and he want to take leap of faith, Scorpio. So he is coming, he want a new beginning with you, and he want happy life with you. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.